company is called as Kayempee Foods Private Limited. So we are into manufacturing of chocolate, wafers, confectionery, biscuits and all. So ours is one of the largest, South India's largest facility at one point, where we manufacture so many products. So for us, we were looking for a renewable energy from very long because as a company, and we wanted to be very green for the earth and everywhere. So we wanted to use renewable energy. So we were scouting for a good partner for solar. Then we had bought Suntech Solar, and which is like now Truzon Solar. So we had a very good experience with the company and the kind of the work they had been doing it. So for us, it has been a very good experience with the Truzon Solar. So we had been saving a lot. We have installed our plant during March, April, during the peak summer months. But overall, we are getting a very good benefit on the solar thing, and also the maintenance and everything is very nice. And the advantage is like we are getting a very much drop in our energy bills. So because being a facility where we consume a lot of energy for our motors and all, so we are having a very good efficient solar system with us. Now basically what I feel is with Truzon Solar, the service is very good. So your team is there who are regularly monitoring the number of units we get, and they are also monitoring about the cleaning and how the cleaning is happening. And there are any time they are unable, we are reducing the number of units, they are calling us and from your customer care and informing us to take care of the cleaning. So it has been done pretty properly, and as such the service and backup is also very good. So during the installation also we didn't have too much of issues, so everything was taken care by your team. So the follow-up is good. So more than you understand as a company, you also understand how much solar we are generating and is it a right to do it. So it's not a big thing. So it is very good, and we are very much satisfied with the service.